Hi, my name's Dave and I'm from the ICTlounge.com, and today we will be getting two antiviruses. I only recommend using one, however one's for the regular consumer and the other one's for more advanced users. So the first one, which is for the regular consumer, is AVG. Now AVG is free. It does have a paid version. I will have a thread describing the differences between the free and the paid, and Spybot Search and Destroy does as well. However, they're both free to use for as long as you like. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to free.avg.com and we're going to go to free download. If you have ad block, I'm pretty sure this doesn't come up. So if you don't have ad block, don't click it, just come down and go to free trial. So the free trial, before I say this, let's confirm. Okay, so this is the free version. This is a free trial of the premium version. So as you can see, it has an online shield, encrypts passwords, and protects private files and spams, and it includes its own firewall. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to install this one, and then the other one is Spybot Search and Destroy for advanced users. We'll come back to this one in a little while, and I will have links to each of the downloads, so don't worry about that. So we will just run our file and click yes. So we'll extract it, and then the installer will start to run. So I'm actually on a fresh install of Windows 10 technical preview, not consumer preview, even though I'm not sure if consumer preview is even out. However, I'm getting off topic. So I'd recommend, if you're just a regular consumer, purchasing AVG, as the features that are included in it are quite nice compared to other antiviruses. So yeah, I mean, I'm not too sure what type of videos I'm going to be making, so if you would like more tips or guides like this, then please comment. So we're going to go next, and we're actually going to accept this, and you'll have a license key here. So this is your 30-day trial license key. Everyone's will be different. So just click next. Also, I believe if you buy the premium version, it can be used up to 5 desktops or laptops. So you can go to standard, which of course is recommended, or if you're slightly more advanced and you just don't want Spybot, you can custom install. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go with the standard. So this could take a while. I will continue when it's finished installing. So it's finished installing, and I'm actually going to opt out of this, just because I don't want to do surveys or let them see what I go on, etc. So that's done. This should open, and everything's going to update. So this is the antivirus definitions. I think this is the same again, just it's for Internet Explorer, Firefox and Chrome. So the other thing it might do is it might ask you to run its first scan. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to, but after it's finished updating, you can just click scan now. So I will be back momentarily when it's finished updating and we're ready to install Spybot Search and Destroy. Okay, so AVG is finished installing. I'm not gonna bother uninstalling it. I don't see a point, because I'm gonna uninstall AVG and Spybot at the same time. So you want to go to safer-networking.org/dl/ and it will take you to this download page. So you can purchase the premium version for €9.99 or $13.99. You can go down here and download the free for private use Spybot Search and Destroy 1.6.2. I've been using this for about 6 years and I've personally not had a problem with it. So we're just going to download this. We're just going to click download and the download will start. So I will continue the video once it's finished downloading. Okay, so Spybot Search and Destroy is finished downloading. We're now going to install it. So again, press yes and select your language. I'm English, so I'll go with English, thank you. So you can just go next, accept, and click next again. You can choose where it installs. I'm just going to put it in program files and click next. Here's some configuration stuff. So just click next. So you can have a start menu option, which I'm not gonna have. Well, I'm not gonna have. So click next, and yeah. So a lot of people seem to think after installing this that T-Timer is some sort of malicious application, because you know it's kind of weird. You come in here and when it decides to load, they come in here and they see 2 T-timers.exe, and what it is it's just Spybot Search and Destroy, and if you end the task it doesn't function properly. So yeah, I mean you can disable it, but it's up to you. So it's just installing, extracting, and I don't think this one has any other downloads to do. So yeah, there you go. Okay, just click finish and click yes. So this command prompt box will come up and go down. I think, if I remember correctly, that's just when it's editing your registry. So if you remove advertising, okay, so you can just click don't show this message again. The free version does have an advertisement in it, and the first thing it will do is it will prompt you to create a registry backup. So stupidly enough, when I had my Windows 7, I didn't do this, and I installed a bunch of drivers for hardware I didn't have anymore, and it corrupted my registry, so I was unable to correct it. So you probably would want to create a registry backup, although if you start to use Spybot Search and Destroy, I would assume that you're more of an advanced user. So it's up to you. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to skip it, and it gives you an option if you want to read a tutorial, read the help file, or just start using the program. I'm just going to start using the program. So you can search for updates, which you just press yes, and it should already be up to date. So just click update. So it appears it doesn't actually auto update itself. I've never noticed that before. So when you click download, it will update all the definitions. So as I said, this search is for sorry, got a little bit of cold. It will search for things like rootkits and stuff, which amazingly quite a few antiviruses don't do that. I think AVG's just started to on the premium version, but on the free version I don't believe it does. So again, just click don't show this message again, and it will open back up. Of course, you're free to upgrade if you want. I've personally not used the more up-to-date one, so I'm just gonna click no and exit out of this. So there you go. You've now got Spybot Search and Destroy. There's other things you can do here. So if you go to advanced mode, I believe you can edit the settings. You can change what it alerts you on, etc, etc. But yeah, I mean, if you check for problems, it's just like an initial virus scan. As you can see, it looks for botnets. I believe that means botnets. I'm not entirely sure, but thank you for watching and stay secure.